Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investments on Fidelity Investments is one of the most popular ways to gain exposure to five of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Instead of purchasing individual stocks, investors can buy an S&P 500 index fund or ETF and instantly diversify their portfolio. Okay, so in this guide I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Fidelity Investment in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open your Fidelity account. Okay, so if you don't already have an account, create a Fidelity broker age account, complete identity verification, personal information account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to Fidelity's trading platform. Okay, so an active brokerage account is required before investing. Then deposit funds on your account. Okay, so after you sign in, transfer money into your Fidelity account. Common funding methods include bank transfer, wire transfer, account transfer. Wait until funds become available for trading. Available cash is required before placing an order. Okay, so log into Fidelity, like open Fidelity website or mobile app, navigate to accounts and trade, then access the trading section. All purchases begin from the trading screen. Okay, so search for an S&P 500 fund. So use the search bar. Popular like SP 500 choices include FXAIX or VOO, or SPY, which is SPY, or IVV. So review fund information, expense ratio, performance history, investment objectives to make sure the fund especially track the S&P 500. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.